Hey, everyone! Welcome back. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you a quick tutorial on how to seamlessly insert YouTube videos into your Canva projects. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Now, let's explore two simple methods to add YouTube videos to your Canva designs. Firstly, click on the More option represented by the three dots. In the search bar that appears, type in Embeds. Click on Embeds and here, you can paste the link of any YouTube video you'd like to include. I'll choose this video, simply copy the link, paste it here, and then click on Add to Design. Voila! The video is now added to your canvas. Another way to do this is by going to the More option again. Scroll down until you find the YouTube option. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a selection of YouTube videos that you can seamlessly add to your canvas. And there you have it, two easy methods to enhance your Canva projects with engaging YouTube content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to stay updated with more useful content, make sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to turn on the notifications so you never miss out on future videos. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, happy designing.